I have a 3-year-old daughter. I have a 1-year-old son. You gave me the ability to see them grow up.
That's Carlos Duart's message for the person who donated the convalescent plasma he says saved his life. The virus put him in the intensive care unit at Baptist Hospital at the end of June. One day he felt fine. The next, he was in the emergency room.
I could not believe how fast I deteriorated. And I am a healthy adult.
Carlos was put on a respirator, but wasn't getting any better.
During that week, from Tuesday to Saturday, my condition continued to deteriorate.
His doctor asked if he would be open to receiving convalescent plasma as a treatment, and he immediately said yes. Within days, he started to improve.
It saved my life. It's what turned it around. Otherwise, I really do think I would have been intubated or worse.
Carlos is the CEO of CDR Maguire, an emergency management firm which has been helping supply the state of Florida with COVID-19 tests. Not only did Carlos get the virus, but so did many of his team members.
I was tested positive the end of June, and my entire team went through the ordeal.
After seeing what the CDR team went through, Carlos's wife, Tina, helped put together this convalescent plasma drive to give the CDR team a chance to give back.
The whole process of my husband getting COVID and recovering from COVID has been incredibly emotional, from thinking that I may not have a husband anymore to seeing the aftermaths of COVID. And so we thought we could make a really big difference and help save the lives of others who may be suffering from COVID by doing this drive.
We've had people fly down from Tallahassee. I can't even begin to put into words my feelings, to be quite honest with you.
Although it's been more than a month since Carlos got out of the hospital, he's still not fully recovered enough to donate his plasma, but he vows to be back as soon as he is well enough to give.
I'm going to find a donation site somewhere with One Blood, and I plan on being there because how could I not? I have to give back. It's my responsibility to give back to someone else for someone who saved my life.
After all of their brushes with COVID-19, the team from CDR Maguire also has a message.
So I just encourage everybody that if you're healthy and you've recovered from COVID, or you're just healthy and you can donate blood, to please do so, because you will save a life.
If you have been exposed and you have the ability to donate plasma, like I said, it saved my life. I actually beg people, if you have the ability to go out and donate plasma, it will save a life.
For One Blood, I'm Susan Forbes.